Well, hello and welcome to the site. Now, if you're wondering if AI can help you out with your business, you are in the right spot. So right now, I would like to talk about 5 processes that can help you out with your AI journey with your business. Now, if you have a lot of leads that are coming in and you can't keep up with them all, you might as well have AI build workflows for you so that you don't have to stop what you're doing, break your concentration, go answer the phone, and sometimes it could be dead air on the other end. With that in mind, top 5 processes that can help you out with your AI journey as a small business owner. Number 1, chat widget on your website. Now, this is pretty exciting because somebody could go to your website, the chat widget will collect their information, name and phone number, and once that lead leaves the website, we still have their name and phone number and we can still continue the conversation with them. And that's considered conversational AI, which leads into number two, conversational AI. So I'm sure you have frequently asked questions that you could train your AI with. Every time you run into somebody new or they're like, hey, look, you have this service. How much does it cost? What are the details? You can actually train your conversational AI to answer all that for you so that by the time you actually do book or sit down with this person, they're already educated on how your operation works, which is amazing because the conversational AI can also lead them to a Google Calendar and schedule Zooms with you. Me personally, I do Zoom calls Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday because with the DJ company, we're pretty busy on the weekends. So that leads into number 3. Number 3 is miscalled text back. So let's say you're busy doing whatever it is that you do and you can't get to the phone. Well, if they don't leave a voicemail, it'll text them back with, hey, look, sorry, I was busy. What can I help you with? And then now they're back into the conversation. And then you can reply to them after your conversational AI has already handled, somebody who called you and that you weren't able to get to the phone. Okay, so number 4. You can have a social media scheduler. So basically, it'll link to all your social media accounts. And then you can schedule out a whole month of posts and then not have to worry about doing it every day. And there are other ways for AI to be able to help you out with that as well. And then, of course, number 5, leaving Google reviews. So basically, anytime that you're done with your service, you can automatically send them out a Google review. And then the AI will also reply when they leave that review, which works for Google. And then you'll be able to ping up higher when somebody is searching for your service within the Google search. So those are the top 5 services. I would love to set it up for you somewhere on this website. You'll be able to schedule a meeting with me and then you can see how it works for yourself. Talk to you soon. Thanks.